Welcome to the February 2024 update of the new resort-style community of Esplanade by the Islands in Naples, Florida. 1,250 new homes are planned. All homes will feature California-Tuscan architecture. New detached single-family homes, attached villa homes and condominiums are currently offered by the builder. Resale homes are also available. The new community sits on 525 acres. The following amenities are planned: wellness center, culinary center, resort-style pool and spa, Bahama bar and grill, sports courts for tennis, pickleball and bocce ball, dog park, fitness center with locker rooms, massage treatment room, on-site lifestyle manager. The amenity center is currently under construction. A newer grocery and shopping plaza are located close by. Please contact Southwest Coast Realty in Naples for more information. Call 239-229-9926. Thanks for watching.